Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Debian Linux 13.2, but the process is same on all Debian Linux operating systems. Okay, first verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the default application. See, we don't have, even if we can search here, see, you don't have Visual Studio Code. Okay, so open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download or click on download for Linux Debian package. Both are same. Click on download, then select this .debian package. It is for Debian and Linux operating systems. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 108 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install VS Code. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i, then code, then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. Add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Select as and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Go to all applications, show applications. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. The other way is close this one. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore, so remove it to clear the space. Rm code, then press the tab to autofill enter Debian package name. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Debian Linux 13.2. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.